Steps 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 are all formatting a pie chart and formatting your worksheet. I think these are skills that are being reviewed and should be reviewed in the chapter work in Module 5. So if you need help with them, let me know, but I think you will be okay with those skills. And the next big skill is step 15. And this is where we're going to, again, maybe consolidate, but we're not really consolidating information from another worksheet. This time we are going to link to another worksheet, but we still want to be able to just select one cell and copy it down. So we're going to start here at the helmets per location worksheet, and then we're going to go over to that other student data file that you had downloaded at the beginning and open it up. And we want to get the information from D2. So we want to put this information into cell C2. So that's going to look like this. I'm in cell C2. And it's just a straight formula. We just want this cell to equal this cell here. The difference here is we're getting information from another worksheet that's not in the same workbook. You'll notice that the formula, of course, is much longer than it was when we did our 3D reference. But it also automatically makes the cell that we're selecting absolute cell reference, and we need this to be relative so that when we copy it down on our helmets location worksheet that it will copy down here. So we're just going to update that by taking out the question marks, and now here we can hit enter, and now we can come over here and copy it down. Again, we're going to fill without formatting so that we have our every other color. It makes it a little bit easier to read. One of the other big concepts in this chapter is using the round function. And here, Amelia wants to calculate how many helmets need to be available at each location. And of course, you cannot have part of a helmet. So she's going to use the round function to make sure that it rounds to 0 decimal places. Just a heads up about the round function. The round function will automatically round up or down depending on the number, right? So if it's 30.5, it will round it up to 31. If it's 30.4, it will round it down. It will keep it at 30. So that could be helpful information. In this case, it might skew actually how many helmets are needed. They might have used a round up or round down function. And in this case, the round down function will automatically always round down to no matter what it is. So that might give you a more accurate picture. So there is a round function. We're going to practice that, and you can just keep this in your bag of tricks that at some point you might want to use a round up function or a round down function depending on what your needs are. So the round function starts like all our other functions, equals, and the name of the function. And in this case, we want to multiply. Let's see. Oops, sorry about that. We want to multiply the max daily rentals by the total helmets required. And we want, we can't have part of a helmet. We need a whole helmet, so we're going to round it to 0 digits. And there's our round function. And again, we can copy it down and fill without formatting. And that's it.